Hey there, Amar here, and today I've got something game-changing lined up for you. If you ever wanted to create a high-converting affiliate funnel in just 5 minutes, you came to the right place. And in this tutorial, we will dive into the world of quick funnels and streamline your funnel creation process. And I prepared actually awesome bonuses for you, so make sure you stick around until the end of this video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and activate all notifications. Now let's jump into creating an affiliate funnel using quick funnels. And of course, before we start creating that funnel, we need to find an offer to promote. And today I am going to use Warrior Plus as an affiliate platform, and I'm displaying here the latest offers that were released. And I found this one here called Project 887. They already sold 50 copies and there are no refunds yet, and I asked for actually approval and I got it. So if I click on this offer here, I will see that they are offering 75% commission in the front end and then 50% commission throughout the funnel. And if I click on view sales page here, you will see that this sales page is professionally done. It's very good, very well done, and it's very compelling actually. Mark Barrett has a long experience selling info products on Warrior Plus, and good chances are that we will generate some commissions from this offer here. I'm not going to go through the sales page here, and what I want to do is, instead of sending my traffic directly to the sales page or to my affiliate link, I want actually to put them on a list. I want to build a list before sending them directly to my affiliate link so I can follow up with them in the future. So what I'm going to do, actually I already did the job. I created this page here, which is created on ClickFunnels, and it connects all the subscribers to your own email list, and you can download follow-ups and send them to them completely automatically. So ClickFunnels allows you actually to connect your autoresponder to the ClickFunnels platform, and from there anyone who subscribes on your pages will be added to your email list and you can follow up. So for this example, I went to the sales page and I took from there headlines and subheadlines so that I can make this capture page, and anyone who subscribes through this capture page will be taken right away to my affiliate link, which is the sales page here, and if he buys, I make a commission. But also the subscriber, his email address will be added to my email list, and I can follow up with that subscriber with a ready-made campaign that ClickFunnels provides for you. And if they try to leave the capture page, look at this pop-up here. It says, are you leaving? Get instant access right now, no opt-in required. And if they click this button, they will be also taken to my affiliate link so they can purchase, and if they do, I get a commission. So let me go back here, and so either cases, if they put their email address, they will be taken to my email list, but if they don't do, there is the pop-up that takes them right away to the affiliate link. Once inside your ClickFunnels account, you will find many affiliate offers, many successful affiliate offers that are already listed, and funnels are already made for them. Of course, you have to connect your autoresponder with the ClickFunnels system in the beginning before you start using these funnels here. But when it's done, you can just grab a funnel from these pre-made funnels and start promoting any offer you prefer. But also you can create your own funnels. It says here create funnel. So when you come here, you can choose a template and you create your own funnel for the affiliate offer that you choose from any other affiliate platform. So you come here and you say, okay, I'm going to use this template or this template so I can build a list, and in the same time I'm going to promote that specific offer. The template I used for mine was this one here, and look what happens when I click select this template. It asks me right away to give this funnel a name, and then I will insert my affiliate link for the offer I want to promote. And in this case, I'm going to go back here and grab my affiliate link for this offer, copy, and then I will go back and put it right here. So let me call this one project, like this, project with a K. They type it with a K, and the most important information here is your affiliate link. This will generate affiliate commissions for you. So you choose a template, you can change it at this point, and then you type the name of the funnel and you give your affiliate link. Then you click save and continue. So what you did here usually is that you go to the sales page itself and you grab the most powerful headlines, subheadlines, and calls to action so that your capture page will be compelling, and when they go to the sales page it will be the same mood. You type what will appear on the text, the yellow button here. You type the text that will appear on it, and then of course you can just go ahead, save and continue, and you will see that your project is ready. You have the link here for your capture page. If I right click and open it, this is exactly your capture page. If anyone puts his email address here and then clicks you need to jump on this now on this button, they will be added to your email list, and then they will be taken right away to the affiliate offer with your affiliate link. If they decide to leave this page, there is a pop-up actually that will pop up and ask them, are you leaving? Get instant access right now, no opt-in required. So if I click on this button here, it is the sales page that will appear with my affiliate link, and of course if they purchase you make a commission. Let's go back here, and of course before everything here will work like this, you need to go to your ClickFunnels account, go to the system setup tab here, and make sure you set up your opt-in form. So you give the list ID of your email list, and then you choose if you want to collect subscribers names or first names, and also you choose if you want to display the exit pop-up that we just saw, and then you save the information. When you look for your funnels, you go here to ClickFunnels. Actually no, you go to My Funnels, My Active Funnels, and this is the funnel that was just created, and you can of course see the settings, the opt-in page, the bridge page, and you can delete the funnel. So it's very important that you go to system setup and you provide your information. Now here is one more interesting thing in ClickFunnels. When you go here to activate your commissions, you will be allowed to put your affiliate links for 4 recurring commission opportunities. The first one is ClickFunnels itself, so you put your affiliate link right here. The second one is Udemy, which is a platform where we buy and sell solo ads. This is Udemy actually, and it offers recurring commissions. The other one is LeadsLeap. It's a very nice platform that generates also recurring commissions. And the last one is Aweber, which is an autoresponder that offers also recurring commissions. So not only you are building your own funnels and promoting them to make commissions, but you can also promote ClickFunnels itself to make multiple recurring affiliate commissions. Now let's go back to my bonuses, and if you decide actually to register ClickFunnels account and start building your own affiliate funnels, from the button below this video I will give you 2 awesome bonuses. The first one is 10 high converting capture pages with private label rights that you can use to build your own funnels, or you can give away or sell. You can use them as a lead magnet to build your own email list actually. Second bonus, I'm going to give you 5 done for you affiliate funnels all together with their own capture pages, monetizable and rebrandable thank you pages, the lead magnets themselves. You will have them already made. All you have to do is import them and start promoting them to make affiliate commissions. So these are my bonuses to you if you decide to grab ClickFunnels from the link below this video. Thank you very much for making it so far in the video. Please like it and subscribe to the channel if you are new to it, and I will see you on the next one.